It's 9:30. Hanggang ano oras lang yung food?
Ilan pe?
Naantok ko.
Pang ilang tricycle na to? Tricycle count.
Ang buhay ng saging. Ito yung ano, life cycle ng banana. Ito yung puso ng saging or banana blossom. Oh, science! Tapos magiging ganun sila kalalaki. Hanggang ganito. Yung laki niyan parang ganun. Yung ganito.
Siguro bukas, bagsak yun.
What are we doing here?
Main shawarma. May nila.
We're gonna eat again.
Second day, tabuk.
May same the size.
Yay! Saw a rainbow.
Pinabigyan nila kay Ate Jim.
Yo. We're gonna do night swimming.
Miming. Night swimming. Night swimming.
Ulit.
Night swimming.
Night meaning.
Day 3. 3. Day 3.
Kaya nga, pero mukha ko nakapang swimming. Teka,
Dito.
Guess what? Ano? What yes?
We're gonna eat again.
Sweet tortilla, tulis mo. Sige, magpakita nyo nga yung sa video.
Naabot ko na lang mapa para parehas sila. Very spacious siya. May zipper pocket na siya, ganyan. Adjustable na rin mamang sling, and then pwede mo siyang detachable na rin po siya. Ngayon ba magkakaroon yung bottom of the bag?
Wala kami nakita lang din kami dito. Ay,
Gusto kong bumili ng Cordillera bag.
dito po sa
Charges native fashion.
dito niya na feel ang ano, ang
Hi. This is our fourth day. Day 4. Fourth days. Fourth days.
not that much.
Kailan ang break nyo?
Para labas lahat ng katas ng santol.
Pero anong kulay ng junk?
Maging ano, brown din po.
Brown.
Brown.
Bale, tig-isang burger ito. Ito yung 5
Ah.
pamini.
Ibigay mo ito.
There's no surprise. We're gonna eat again.
Sugar cone ice cream. I want caramel strawberry.
Yay.
Fifth day. 4 nights. Ano kayang silog ang aming kakain ngayon?
Sige lang siya. Circle.
K9. Oo.
So,
So, going back.
going back to Rizal.
The latte.
He's there. We're back in Rizal. This is mais con hielo. And then this is halo halo. Here we have turon and maruya. And over there we have latte. 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 Mic test. ASMR unboxing. Kasi natutulog yung aso ko. I-unbox natin yung mga binili ko. Puro hero na siya actually. These two are from the TikTok shop na pinag-orderan ko. And this is from Tabuk. Okay, unboxing.
does it. He's watching. He's here, guys. Oh, he's there. This is so Philippines. You can see the electric fan. Back to unboxing. My dog woke up. Aww. He woke up. He woke up. Oh, look at him. I don't know why this is open, but yeah. This is like the most expensive. Wait, let me show you guys first. Okay. Here. Guys. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's so cute. I actually saw this na. Kasi, ito yung galing sa tabo. Oh my gosh. So protected niya. This stand. And then this. Here it is. So cute. Look at it. Bro. What? It's like that. So here, nakita nyo na lahat. Also latte. Oh. It's us again. From the pure gold group
To Bukid Group. It's pagkagising. It's beauty. It's no makeup. The real thing. The real beauty. Inner beauty only.
We're going to the farm. See the struggle, oh. Oh. Angat yan.
The siblings possible. The kuya and the ate.
It's latte.
The ate and the older ate and the younger brother, with their young guest. Choco matcha latte. It's latte, but it could be sea salted caramel latte. Much better.
This is the bukid. Parang labag sa loob niyang naglakad siya. Tinimplahan niya ako ng kape.
Dali lang. Not so very tired. Look at my face. It's so haggard. Look at my face. Not haggard. Haggard. Not haggard.
Latte.
House tour.
House tour. Tumatalon ako dyan para makatakas. Ngayon nilagyan na nila ng ganyan.
Bruce. Matangkad naman. Ay. No. No. Bruce. Hindi.